How are you going to stop living paycheck to paycheck with the bills piling up, inflation going crazy, and you want to stop drowning in debt? Well, you're going to have to start doing something different because you've been living in insanity, doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. That's the definition. It's got to stop. Are you ready to stop living in insanity? Because the first step is making changes. So let's start. It's time to take action, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but now. You have to launch multiple streams of income in order to start making financial changes in your future. You have 3 types of income: earned, investment, and passive. Let's talk about it. So what should be your focus now, and what will help you get ahead now? The earned income and the passive income. Investment is sprinkled in there a little bit. So let's see how all of this can help us now. When you think of earned income, that's what most people talk about with income. It comes to you upon completion of task. It's a one-time payment. It's really only beneficial once. It's those 9-to-5 jobs where you're working those hours and getting paid for them. What isn't talked about very often is residual monthly payments, which is passive income, where you work once and it returns to you every month. So it's beneficial to you again and again. It's working smarter instead of harder. When we talk about investment income, most of us think of that in reference to retirement and long-term holding. But in order to start having a passive income, you're going to have to make some investments. This is where you're looking to get a return on your investment, preferably over 100%. And that is what I'm here to talk to you about today, is how you can have a huge return on your investment, and your investment doesn't have to break the bank. So when you're looking at passive income, you're gonna have to start with investing. But if you're watching this, then congratulations, because you've already been thinking about all of this. And that means that you're ready to take action and do something different. But you have questions. What path should you have taken when you haven't done this before? That's a good question. So what is your golden entry door? As a newbie with multiple streams of income, that's easy. That's where I come in. I guide you step by step to setting up your business, and I also guide you step by step through using your savings portal to save money while you start earning your residual monthly income. If you're ready to hear more, well, then I can help you with that. Do you want to start this beginner-friendly system with me as your guide? That way you know I'm going to show you what to do? Well, then just click the button below this video. You're going to hear more about what Savings Highway Global can do for you, how you can start saving and earning money now, and start building financial wealth and financial freedom. And don't worry, you'll see me on the other side.